Today what we show you is our new Wi-Fi smart motion sensor switch. That is designed with built-in PIR motion sensor. Now, let's wire it first for normal power on and app pairing. It is neutral wire required. Please confirm your house wiring and wire properly according to the user manual and video. Long press the switch button until the Wi-Fi indicator flashes fast for pairing under 2.4G Wi-Fi. Together with app control without any interference.
Now you can turn on/off the light via the switch.
The motion sensor is newly designed with 120 degrees wide angle for more accurate detection, as automatically off the light after the set time. Once human or motion detected, the light will automatically power on.
Smart automate the audible alarm when the light is on for the motion detected.
Monitoring house security in a better and cost-saving way.
Add schedule for your switch to automatically power on or off at a preset time.
Alexa, turn on stair light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off stair light.
Okay.
Compatible with Alexa and Google Home for simple voice control.